guys, it's Friday. We're on our last pack of this box. I don't see anything crazy. DeAndre Hopkins, Jamar Chase, oh, Mr. Butte. Make sure it wasn't anything good. Keyshawn Butte, Van Egan. Ooh, here we got something shiny. Here's Troy Franklin to $2.99. And engage. Oh no, there's something before the engaged. Texans rookie. Jalen Noel. Man, him and Jaden Higgins. Curious to see what they do. Jaden Noel. Another player I didn't know. You can go up here with Jordan James. An engaged Fred Warner. This one is not numbered as well. Arroyo. Elijah Arroyo. Who's this big boy? Mitchell Evans. And Torrey Horton. Alright guys, let's rip pack 2. Let's get right into it. This one's a thick boy. Definitely got our mem in here. Kid Reporter. I always forget to show them off. I'll try to show it off in this video. Nice. Alright. Jameson Williams. The Bus. Ooh, I saw that. Richard Seymour. Xavier Legette. Mem is coming up. But before that, we have a 249 Benjamin Morrison. And now we got a Beacons coming. Who's it going to be? Please don't be Jared Verse. I will lose my mind if this is a Jared Verse card. San Francisco, cool. Avoided it. Brock Purdy napkin. I will take it. Heck yeah. I like these Beacons cards. Followed by a Jamar Chase vestige. I feel like they're always followed by a vestige. Not a numbered one. Alright. James Pierce Jr. We got one of him pretty low. I think to 10, I believe. Harold Fannin Jr. And Zy Alexander. Here's a Kid Reporter, guys. Almost forgot again. Alright, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Good luck this weekend. My birds may need it. Let's see. But I appreciate y'all as always. Like, comment, subscribe. We are coming to an end with these Luminance boxes. Got a few more videos left, but hopefully we got some case hits left. I'll see you guys next week.